Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendell RV. Today I want to take you around this 2022 Sierra made by Forest River. Model number is a 3440BH. They changed the outside colors and also the interior colors. This is a bunk model, and it's a bath and a half. This second door on this end will take you to the half bath and to the bunk room. It does have your auto leveling. It's got your mini fridge, your grill on the back. It's got two sets of these step above steps. Your outside speaker, your spray port on this side. Your electric awning with your LED lights. So this year in the 2022 Sierra kind of lightened up all their tones with the fabric and also the wall colors. You get the booth dinette. That's a trifold sofa there. Can make out to a bed. Big screen TV, sound bar, fireplace. It's your island. This is an ever chill refrigerator here. Freezer down below. Your 3-burner stove, LG microwave. You can use that for pantry, and also you got a pantry here. More storage there. It's got the blackout roller shades already down. Oversized ceiling fan. And this is a single bowl stainless steel sink with the spray faucet. So this year they did widen this up a little bit better than last year. Last year was kind of tight. But you get a queen size bed. A little ladder over there will take you to the loft bed. Wardrobes and dresser drawers. This thing's pretty heavy duty, made out of metal. Let me shut that back. Spin around here. So it does have a TV location up top there. And this is the half bath. Porcelain toilet, sink, mirror, and there's your door. There's also storage underneath this bed. It'll raise up. Here's a look at the front bedroom. Queen size bed, and then you get the wardrobe over here, which is on the slide out. A little bit of storage there. Some overheads. Wardrobe, dresser drawers all around. Linen closet, storage, and your corner shower here. And another porcelain toilet. Mirror, sink area. Not much storage there. And these are all self-closing hinges for all your cabinets. But yeah, that's a quick look at the new 2022 Sierra 3440BH. If you're interested, you can call us at 903-326-4080, or you can check us out on our website at rendelrv.com.